Hello, Miss Golden Girl here. And guess what we're going to talk about on this podcast? Life insurance. Yes, as you well know, I'm taking you along with me as I review my budget, as I strive to become more frugal this year in 2024, tweaking my budget. So, I am reviewing my life insurance monthly costs. The title of this podcast: Do you have adequate life insurance? So, what I did, I looked up the purpose of life insurance. The purpose of life insurance is to help provide financial security to your loved ones upon your death. All right. So, I am at a point in my life that I am only responsible for me. My children are grown, but I made a decision some years ago when I retired, when I took my early retirement in 2003. I wanted to leave my children an inheritance, and I wanted to do that through life insurance. I knew the lifestyle that I was going to live. I wasn't going to have any property. I didn't want them really to have to get rid of any property because we had to go through all that and settle in my father's estate. So, the purpose of my life insurance now at age 72 is to leave an inheritance to my children. So currently, I have life insurance policy through my pension. The state of Michigan provides us with a life insurance policy. And that policy can cover my, well, really, it's not going to do that. So I don't need it to do that. I'm going to have money to pay for my cremation, and I'm going to have money to pay for my memorial booklet. Yes, this is the cover of my booklet. I don't know if it'll end up like this because what I did, I created this memorial booklet back in 2016. Um, but I really don't think my daughter can. I know she can't go out there and get it like that anymore. So she has it, the draft of it. So whatever she puts together for my memorial booklet, that is okay. All that I am concerned about upon my death is that my cremation and the printing of my memorial booklet. I've got it all drafted and everything. So, okay. So I've got the life insurance policy that is payable upon my death from the state of Michigan due to my pension. In 2003, I purchased a universal life insurance policy, and I have been very pleased with that policy. It has a built-in cash value, so I was paying $150 a month when I first got it. After a couple years, I upped it to $250 that I paid into it. So that helped me to build cash value a little bit faster. And I tell you, I have utilized that cash value and doing some things for myself, doing some things for my children and grandchildren. So the universal life insurance policy has been really good. I pay $250 a month for that. And I've had that policy now since 2003. In 2014, I got a term life insurance policy. And I got that at that time. It's 10-year term, renewable, but the cost will be too astronomical for me to renew it. It's going to expire in October 2024. And then I pay $100 a month for that. And I'm going to take that money and move it into my long-term care. They contacted me last year around October or so with the possibility of me replacing that policy. And I thought about it, but then I decided against that. I don't need to purchase any additional life insurance. I have adequate life insurance. So I'm going to take that money, $100 a month, and move that over into my long-term care savings account. As I keep sharing, my goal is to save $50,000 in 8 years for my long-term care by the time I'm age 80. So right now I am spending $350 a month for my life insurance policies. The one with the state of Michigan, I don't have to pay anything for that. So I am paying on the universal life insurance and the term life insurance. Now, there's whole life, and I've never in my lifetime purchased a whole life policy. So I feel okay with my monthly outlay for my life insurance policy. I don't want to make any changes. Sometime at this age, they may say, get rid of some of your life insurance policies. You don't need them. But I'm holding on to my universal life insurance policy. I've been paying on it now for 21 years. I got it in March 2003 when I realized I couldn't afford to convert the life insurance that I had upon my retirement from the state of Michigan. So I think I have adequate life insurance. What about you? Do you have adequate life insurance? You know, the one thing we want to make sure that we have provisions to provide for our end of life expenses. And I do. I'm not even now going to use my life insurance for that. I've got money to pay for my cremation, and I have money to pay for the printing of my memorial booklet. So that's it. Again, I asked you, do you have adequate life insurance? Why do you have life insurance? Do you have too much life insurance or too little? What is the purpose of your life insurance? All right, you take care.